What's up, fellow traders? Welcome back to another day trading recap. So the trade that I want to talk about today was on Nikola Motors. So if you guys follow my video, you know that Nikola actually had a huge catalyst on the 13th. I think they were eligible for $120,000 incentive for each truck that they sell in California. So I thought that day it was going to start moving up and really start potentially going into an uptrend. But that didn't happen. That was on the 13th. So you said on that day the price shot up to around 1140 and it got shot back down with heavy volume. I remember it clearly. So today coming in, what happened? It broke this lower channel yesterday, which was at 976 or 975 around, and it broke through this channel on the daily chart. So this is why coming in today I was actually very bearish on the stock, very bearish, because it broke through this channel on the daily, that 976 level. So coming in this morning, I wanted to keep the trading plan very simple on Nikola. What I did was actually the most simple day trading plan that you can get, which is the pre-market low break. So what happened is right before the market opened, it kind of jumped up a little bit. It went from 940 all the way to 950, and it slammed back down. And when the market opened, it did kind of the same thing. It went all the way to 950 and it slammed back down. And that's exactly where I went short. That's where I went short, and that's where I got in at 933. I had a pretty tight stop. I think it was like 4 or 5 cent stop, and I was able to hold some all the way down to my target at 886. So that's exactly what I did, and I followed my plan. So that's very nice. Again, I over partialed, but I don't want to talk about that for now. I mean, over partialing is a problem that I have to solve for myself. I'm not there yet quite. But I am very proud of myself today of my first ad of 2022. What happened here is you can see clearly on the 5 minute. If I zoom in over here, had two very nice shooting star candles hitting the 9 EMA in a 5 minute, and it slammed back down. So I decided again at around 10, right before 1040, to go short again at this 880 level with a very tight stop again. And I was very fortunate, and I was able to get a 3R win over here. All this over here was only a 2R win because I over partialed, and over here I was able to get a 3R win. So overall I got a plus 5R on this trade. But unfortunately, I overtraded and I ended up the day being just break even. I mean, the overtrades are not even worth mentioning. I mean, it was just bad trades all around. I got a 1R loss on CCL over here. I was hoping for a bounce at this $22 level. Actually, this trade I was okay with because it was hitting the 9 EMA. You can see over here it was hitting the 9 EMA. I was looking for a bounce off this level. It didn't happen. It's okay. 1R loss. But you can see over here on Futu, I started trading whatever, like I had this level over here for a long, potential long for Futu, but it broke down. So this was I think minus 0.5R loss, which is okay. But once it reclaimed this level and it reclaimed VWAP, I tried to go long like twice. There was no reason for that. I mean, just no reason for that. Like it did eventually go my way, but there was no reason for that. That was very silly of my part. And same thing for Snap. Actually, Snap, I wanted to get in over here at 35.62. It did bounce off this level, but I decided to go for this what I thought was a 3-bar play over here, but it didn't happen. It stopped me out, It bounced over here. It bounced off the moving averages. I decided to go long and it stopped me out again. So not very proud of myself in that aspect. I overtraded a bit today. So tomorrow my plan is actually to make not more than 3 trades. I know myself. When I start overtrading, I don't want it to become a multi-day type of thing psychologically, right? So I'm gonna force myself to limit my amount of trades for tomorrow. That's kind of the way I deal with overtrading. Overtrading happens to all of us unless you're a robot. So the way I deal with it, I don't know if this is gonna help you guys out, is I limit my trades the following day in order to make sure I don't overtrade. That's my only objective for tomorrow. So, but overall, break even, can't complain, still up for the week. So let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.